Hey guys, Teacher Vern, welcome back to another classroom. And today we're going to learn the TH sound. Now, TH has two different sounds. One is an air sound. Hear the air? And the other is a buzzing. Z, 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 z. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's start making the TH with a little air. Just a little bit though, not much. So we put our tongue between our teeth and we go like this. Here. That's it. Now, let's make the first word. Think, think, think. Word number two, thought, thought. And the last word, thankful, thankful. Okay, you got it. All right, guys, now we're going to learn the second TH sound. Now, this time, your tongue is between your teeth again, but it's different because we will buzz it. Z, z. We make a buzzing sound. So watch. I can feel the z, z, buzz between and then we start to form the TH. We go then, that, them. See, it's not hard. Two types, the buzzing TH and the air TH. That's it. That's all there is to it, you guys.